If anybody's gonna get a drunk tattooing on it, if anybody's got 4 cinder blocks with the fixer-upper sitting up on it, if anybody's got a buzzing side door speaker 'cause Chattahoochee done blown it, and the only thing that they don't give is a damn, it's y'all.